The children banged at the door and rang the bell, but it was no good. They wandered away down the lane, hungry, thirsty, and stunningly beautiful. Finally, tired and with nowhere to go, they sat down under a hedge. Now, once they were not allowed to enter the house, so there was no choice for them. They were very hungry, they were very thirsty, but still there was no choice for them. They went down the street and finally they could not do anything, and they finally just rested down under a hedge. Hedge is like a small bush kind of a place where जहाँ पर छोटे छोटे पेड़ पौधे उगते हैं. So that is a kind of a hedge kind of a place. Okay. It will wear off sunset, said Jane. Then we will look normal again. So Jane said that let the sunset come. The moment the sunset will come, we will be back into our original forms. Then huddled together for comfort, they fell asleep. When Anthea woke, the sun had set. It's all right, she cried. We are ordinary again. So they all were so tired and thirsty that they fell asleep. And the moment when they got up, it was already sunset. Sun has already set, and they had already been back into their original forms with those old faces that they started with in the beginning, before the wish was granted. Okay. Where do you think you have been? Demanded Martha when they got home. We had some very strange children here this afternoon. They were horrible, said Anthea. They stopped us from coming home until now. We only just got away and we are starving. So the moment when they reached home after the sunset, Martha looked at them, and because now they have converted themselves into back original form, so Martha was able to recognize them, and she immediately asked them that where were you for the whole day? So some strange children had come to the house and they were trying to come inside the house. Martha was telling all this to the children. So the children also said that yes, we also met those children. They were also stopping us from coming to the house. But finally now we have succeeded to come to our house. We only just got away and we are starving. Well, don't you go near them again. So Martha says, now don't you meet those children again and don't you go near them. Otherwise it will be the same story again, that they will try to come inside the house and they will try to catch hold of you all also. So don't you ever meet those children again. As cook brought in a supper that looked and smelled delicious. So Martha served the supper to the children, and the supper was very, very delicious and very yummy. We'll take care to never see them again, said Robert, and they never have. So Robert promised that now onwards we are not going to meet them. And how can they meet them? Because they were nobody else but they were themselves who had converted into such beautiful people. कोई और थोड़ी ना था, यही लोग थे जो इतने सुंदर बन गए थे. So automatically, definitely they will never be able to meet those people again. Okay. So this is the whole story about it, and this is a extract which has been taken from 5 Children and It. So I hope the chapter is clear to everyone. You please read the chapter again and underline the difficult words. You have the word meanings given on the side of the page. You find any word difficult, please open a dictionary and see the meaning from the dictionary, or if it is given in the book, you check the meaning from the book. Okay, please read the chapter one more time so that you understand it nicely.